DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upcycling jars and making colorful confetti candle holders. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some confetti candle holders. You can buy bags of tissue paper confetti at the dollar store or buy some tissue paper and cut your own. Super easy. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.